Hello, welcome to the second video for this week. So in our previous mini lab, we have implemented the account class and the account test class, right? So based on our previous works, we will make some modifications so that we can create the method about create the object using a constructor. What we'll have to do is that first, let's modify the account here. We'll have to include constructor there. So what is a constructor? Constructor is something that we are using to initialize this class, right? We have just mentioned in our previous lectures. And how can we write a constructor? And you'll always remember that a constructor only contains keyword that is public and the constructor's name that is the same thing as the class name. So here it is supposed to be public account, right? Right? And we can have several constructors. For this one, like the account, we don't pass anything. Usually it is a default constructor, right? But here we are going to, since we are going to using a constructor to initialize this object, so we'll have to pass something to it. So as we only have one attribute, that is the string name. So what we can pass to the constructor is only one attribute, the string name. And I don't want to make you confused at this stage, so let's given the name, given the parameter as the name 1, so you will not get confused. And here we, in the constructor, we using this dot name to referring to the object's name, right? And we assign the name 1 to this dot name. That means this is the name passed by the users, right? And we assign the name 1 to the object's attribute name. That means we are giving the name 1 to the objects. We are renaming it. And if you have a close look at this one, you can see that okay, they are the same, right? This name equal name 1. This name equal name 1. Because to some extent you can take the constructor as a setter method. And in our account test, okay, since we have a constructor in our account class, so here we cannot leave it empty as in the okay, great, so that we can look through these two files in a row view. Since we have the parameters in the constructor, so to be consistent, we'll have to pass some parameters in the constructor there. And let's say we give it a name string, right? So like phone gem. And let's close this one. So let's run the code. No, yeah, let's run the code. We can try. So it says the initial name of my account is 楚风奖. So that means the constructor is to initialize the object, right? That is, we have talked about and discussed for a lot in our lectures. And after that, let's implement the rest of let's try play with the rest of the code. Please enter the account name this is no longer enter the account name. So please update the account name. Okay, let's run it again. Stop and run. So the initial name of my account is 楚风奖. Please update the account name. For example, I want to update it into Visa, right? And I'll press enter. So the Visa John has been fetched by the scanner, which is referring to the input variable, and using the method next line to read the Visa John and assign the Visa John to the instance the name. And we pass the name to the setter method to the object, which is in my account, right? And that's update my account name from 楚风奖 to the new name, which is referring to the Visa John. So once we have done with this operation, the system out will print out the new name of my account. And we can write something new, like here. Suppose we create another account that is your account. Okay, your account, and we give it an initial name as Leah, right? And the name, we don't have a last name, it's okay. And then let's print out the initial name of your account is, okay, we'll have to update the recording instance variable's name. Okay, awesome. So let's play and try again. Let's run it. Okay, as you can see, the initial name of my account is 楚风奖. Please update the account name. I want to update it to Visa John. And let me enter, and the Visa John will be updated, and my account name is Visa John. And after that, it will print out that's the initial name of your account. Your account is Lian. And we can also using the set method to update your account name. They are the same thing. So that's the end for this video. And if you have any problems with the implementation for the constructors, please create a thread in the discussion board, and I will reply your thread at my earliest convenience.